Okay, this is just a short, quick video to show that you could actually simplify. You could further simplify the design for the bubble box. Okay, yeah. So we modified the previous one just to for those who want to do DIY or for those who want to just play with it, right? To have a better understanding of the bubble generation and other aspect. Then this is the simplest. This is the simplest form, and this is also a precursor for bubble tower, right? For bubble tower, you simply extend the legs, right? And simply maybe using like we demonstrated earlier, using the U channel to to just put beside, right, bolted on to the metal bar. That's the idea. Yeah, so for that reason we designed this so that you can simply use the same material. This is 2-inch by 18-inch flat bar, that you can make. So if simply you bend here to make the footing, and then bend here, bend here, then to make this angle, and then bend on the top. So two pieces, assembled together. And on the top, because we want to create a flat surface, right? So we did it in a way it's the two pieces are slightly different on the top. See, one piece just go, one piece, right? Go, just go like this and bend on the top at a certain angle. But the another one, this one, we simply, cut it here, and then use a piece, like this at the bottom to simply, just weld it, right? You simply weld it, and so that, yeah, and so that we create this groove, a white groove. So this piece we can simply sit on it, right? Insert, sit on it, and with this top, flat flush, top, and then we use a screw. The same thing. We use a vertical column. So we use a screw bolted onto, through the holes. So the 1, 2, 3 pieces, bolted together to this round vertical short column, right? So that's what it is. Yeah, yeah. So hopefully you understand what I mean. Yeah, so as you can see, this is very short. It's a precursor for bubble tower, and it's a way for you to play with the bubble generator. Before, once you satisfied with the bubble generator, then you can make the formal one. And then put it on the actual build, right? So and this is exactly what we're going to do, and we suggest you can do that also. And this is cheap, right? This is won't cost you too much. Just buy the metal flat bar, and then and simply give this video, or show this video to whoever, then the supplier, and then they can simply make it for you, right? Just some holes, right, and some parts, made, and then you can sample the bubble generator. We designed this way so that the generator actually can it sit on the on the slope on the pyramid, right? From the top, simply sit on it. It can have this hook at here. And so yeah, for this we suggest you could do a 3D printing, or use flat plastic material and made one, right? They just you find your own way to do it, because it's very simple, right? And what we are going to do is probably we are thinking of doing 3D printing, right? Because this is all shape, right? Anyway, and then assemble together, right? And also in this design, I'd like to point out the top, this triangle, it's a transparent material, so that it got this this edge, right? So it's actually slide in. It's you take off the cover, and then you slide off. Then move it, and then you slide on. To put it on, and okay. So that way you can see when you play with adjust the pressure, adjust the pressure of the fan, right? The speed, other things. Right? So the idea is to be able to see, right, when you adjust things, right? This is it. Yeah, I removed the cover, but still showing the grid for the cover. So let me see how to. Yeah. So this is the one with cover, and yeah, this shows the whole thing. Okay. Yeah. So I think it's pretty obvious. Yeah. Note the bolt. This is flat head bolt. This one could be something else, right? Could be the same thing. Yeah, we didn't change that because we designed this mechanism so that in the real thing, what I'm talking about, the double layer structure, right? Then we can tie the rope to this eye bolt, right? And that's what it is. Yeah. For this design, you don't need that. But anyway, that some people may hang some light inside, right? Once you create bubble, right? That at night you want to display, you can use that to hang, the LED light strip, right? So that's that, and very simple, very easy to make, and then so that way we hope that you play with it and get more confidence. Then if you decide what to do, right, you can do DIY. As I explained, DIY, you can go ahead. There's no restriction, but if you want to proceed with some business partnership, right, and you can talk to us, and then we can show you the process, right? We like to work on the franchisee model, right, so that everyone can get the support from us, and also I guarantee support, right? Once you give us the financial support, we can help you to start your business, right? This is a business, right? And once we work in according to the business model, then everybody's wins, right? And then once you have something like this built, and you can play with, get more confidence, and then you can start to demonstrate, right? To once you convince yourself, you can convince others, right? You demonstrate to show that how it works, and then set up the real PyraPOD design. Pick any one you like, according to your financial situation, and then you can just do a test, right? Demonstrate how it works, so, and how you can use to grow vegetable, right? That's the whole idea. Yeah, so hope you like it, and yeah, let me know what else, if you want to, if there's any questions, yeah, regarding this and regarding the full line of products we have designed so far, and let me know. Okay, yeah. And for those who watch this on YouTube video, please make sure you subscribe, because we're gonna produce a lot, right? A lot of videos. Yeah, once we get the process going, the actual product, we're gonna show at least one video, right? A few videos, for each project. So and so that you can go along with us, right? With the COVID-19, maybe it's hard for people to visit our site, but we can still, through internet, and we can still share things. And then once people see how it looks, and how it will be built, and how it operate, right? And then you can learn that way. You can learn quickly, right? So that's what we're trying to do. We are trying to mobilize people, to educate people, in this way. There's no cost involved so far, right? And to let you know that this is not hard at all. Yeah, it's simple. It is low cost, right? Then you can build one, test it, and see how it works, right? And then you go from there, right? So okay, so far for this video, and we'll see you next time.
Pretty good, eh? That looks pretty good. Yeah. Cost stuff today. That's nice of them.